The style today for my LHC challenge is a faux bob. As much as we love our super long hair, there are times when it's really convenient to have it be a little shorter. And there are some great ways to make it look shorter and do shorter styles with it without actually cutting it. And that way you have the best of both worlds, because once you cut it, very hard to go back. I know they have extensions. I don't know. They're expensive, difficult. I've never tried extensions. I don't know. But I thought along with the faux bob that I learned on the LHC forums that I would show you a few other methods for getting a shorter hairstyle as well. So the bob one is we take the hair, take most hair from the top and pin it out of the way. We're going to leave a little section at the bottom of the back. So, clip that out of the way first. And then make this into a bun. Then we take this hair. I have some slight braid waves today. And start folding it and pinning it to that bun. Okay, I have to interrupt to say that I messed up the the faux bun. So I'm gonna do it again the next day. So this is, I believe this is the official LHC faux bun. Pins ready and tuck this under and pin it to that bun. The purpose of the bun is to have something to pin the hair to. Oh, I look terrible. Alright, so it's tricky because you gotta cover up that bun, keep it as flat as you can, get hair over it, you know, then maybe do some kind of pinning to make it look nicer. I gotta be honest, I really don't like this style. I don't like this method, I don't like this style. So that's why I'm gonna show you a few other ways to fake short hair. First up is one that I learned from Andrea691. She has ankle length hair and it's stunning, of course. But yeah, she just had a baby, so she hasn't been as active lately. I love following along her Instagram, looking at pictures of her beautiful baby. So, what she did is a half up. I don't know, you guys probably already all know how to do this, but I do a half up by, you know, I kind of start lifting the hairbrush when I get to this point. So start in and then we'll sort of do a little twist to lift it up and away. And that helps me to grab just that hair. And then of course make sure that there's no hangers on there. But it's a nice clean. So I'm going to pin that with my little rose, using that basically like a, using a flexi like it's a barrette. Then here you decide how high up you want it to be. So you can be that super short like the bob, or you can go a little bit longer. Yeah, just depending how your hair is. Ugh. So you bring it up and then make a bun up here, wrapping it around the barrette or flexi or whatever you're holding it with, elastic, whatever it is up here. Pin it. Flexi is covered, so you know, don't use your fanciest flexis. There you go. My next method involves a scarf. A thin scarf is good, like this one that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I have mentioned this in another video. Now, I have done a video about using my scarf for this before, so you may have seen it before, or you may be thinking about ones you've seen that are similar, where you tie a knot at the bottom and roll it up. Well, this is better than that, and I'm so excited that I found this on TikTok. So, to determine the length on this one, you're going to make a loop with your hair at the bottom. So, the more hair you put into the loop, the shorter it will end up being. You see that? Barely. So yeah, loop under and tie with an elastic. And then thread your scarf through that loop. And tuck under. Wrap scarf around your head. There you go. So again, you can adjust the length of this by the length of the loop that you put at the bottom. Okay, next I have a variation on this one. Take out that elastic. Take off the scarf. Brush again. This is not great for my hair. I'm brushing so much in one day and doing so many styles, manipulating it so much, but that's alright. It's worth it. Alright, so for this one, I'm going to use my own hair like it's the scarf. So I'm going to go down the length a little bit and make an elastic. I'm going to try to keep it really even, so I'll put the elastic in by doing this. He's not eating it.
Now he's trying to eat it.
Okay. And then I'm going to take this, divide in two, and make braids. Last time I did this, I did rope braids, but this time I'm just going to do regular braids. This is the same as my video on vintage style. He's not eating ice cream? I'm sorry, I'm not in control of what they do on the TV. Well, why don't you just go back to the one we already watched? That's what it showed in the thumbnail. Why is it not in there? That's what the thumbnail was. Is it just super fast? Derek, I'm doing my best. I don't know what to give you. Unless we watch the same one you already watched. I'm sorry. And part of this, he has ice cream, right? He's about to start cooking ice cream, I think. This is the best I can do, Garrick. If you want the dinosaur, this is what I've got. That other ice cream one, I played it for you and it lied. It did not have what we thought it would in the thumbnail. I know he didn't eat it, so I can't make him eat it. It's a TV show. Now we're gonna pull this under, just like we did with the scarf. I made these braid sections kind of small, but basically, I meant to have enough braid to actually wrap around my head, and I don't. I left it too long. So, yeah, I should have put the elastic a little bit higher and had longer sections for the braid so I could wrap the braid around my head like the scarf, but I did not. Alright, if you watch this, you have to not ask me to buy you Transformers.
Okay.
So there are some ways that you can wear your hair a little shorter while not losing any actual length. And like I said, I don't really care for the faux bob one the way that I learned it, but these other styles are what I would use if I'm trying to fake shorter hair for a little while.